Now, your ABC 7 First Alert Weather Forecast with meteorologist John Scalzi.
Air temperature comes in at 77 degrees this morning. We have a mix of cloud and fair skies. 78 degrees feels like temperature, pretty much the same as the air temperature. Dew point values are warm, coming in at 75. Again, that's going to lead to a very sticky afternoon. High humidity at the time we get to probably around 3-4 o'clock. Looking at a feels like temperature at that point at 100 to 105. So as we head through the day, 12 noon temperature coming in at about 90 already. And then as we progress through the afternoon, we'll start to think about a chance of a shower by 3 p.m. About a 10%. That's it, mostly in inland areas. Then as we head into the 7 p.m. hour, I think better chances of rain for everyone, and that will be a little bit closer to the coastline as well as the east coast sea breeze moves into our area once again. Overnight, expect to see some clearing and some fairly quiet conditions. Showers and thunderstorms building along a line of showers in inland areas, then moving out into Gulf waters. That's what we saw yesterday. Chris continues to pull away from the United States, and high pressure builds into the central Gulf. Those are the weather features that are on the map this morning. Locally, things very quiet. A thunderstorm just offshore of Pinellas County, bringing you a little bit of a light show if you're traveling over the Skyway Bridge early this morning before dawn. You'll see that out there in the Gulf. That is not moving closer to us. None of these showers are. Those are not the ones that will bring us the afternoon rains. They have yet to develop, and they will develop in inland areas. Chris continues to be a formidable Category 2 hurricane, but of really no bother to anyone except shipping interests. It will move, and it already is starting to move, fairly rapidly off to the north and to the east. Forward speed now coming in at about 20. We have what was left over of Beryl, continuing to monitor that. Some chance there of regeneration, but even if it does, it moves out into the open waters of the Atlantic, following in the footsteps of Chris. So we have no issues right now with tropical systems impacting the state of Florida, except this one little upper-level tropical trough of low pressure that's located right near the Bahamas. That one will swing through the Florida Straits a little bit later on this afternoon, just as one did yesterday, and help to enhance some rainfall chances for the southern tip of the state especially, but also in our area, combining with the east coast sea breeze. High pressure builds in over the next few days and brings us a westerly wind flow as we head into the weekend. That will encourage a few morning showers near the coast, but then tend to take all of these showers that we see developing today and push them toward the east coast as we head into the weekend. That'll be a favored location for shower development. So we get mostly sunny skies today, a few evening showers and better weekend rain chances, but the timing of the showers will be a little bit different. We'll watch the Futurecast today build those showers, again popping up in inland areas first, and then gradually drifting back to the coastline as we head into the evening. So we look for a nice day out on the waters, except for those scattered showers around, but they're pretty far offshore right now. Southwest wind at about 10 knots, becoming more westerly at 10. And the forecast calling for a daytime high of 92 today. Tomorrow about the same, 20% chance of showers both days. Then as we head into the weekend, we'll boost the rain chance up to about 40%, close to about average for this time of year. We'll watch for morning showers near the coast, inland showers as we head into the afternoon, and we'll carry the rain chance into next week at about 40 or 50%. Pretty standard for this time of year.